got lists of stuff that I wanted to say at the beginning of this video. Always the same way. You forget. Anyway, prior planning and prior planning and preparation and all that malarkey. If you guys can go to the bottom, every YouTuber does that apparently, the bottom, underneath in the comments. If you could go down there, give us a subscribe, hit that red box, hit the bell button, what's the rest? Oh, like and comment and share on other social media. You can obviously follow us on Instagram, like our page on Facebook, whatever you like really. Even if you don't like us, just keep liking the videos. Just keep going. Anyway, if you can do any of those things for us, it'd be much appreciated. And without further ado, let's get on with it. So, I suppose there's some things you can call a complete failure and just others a partial failure. Well, we definitely had a complete failure. The iPhone we were trying to record a time lapse on decided to record like 20 seconds of time lapse. Not sure how we did that. And the DSLR decided that it was going to shut itself off after about 12 minutes. So the first part of the video is going to be a really quick time lapse and a bit of the standard action from the DSLR. Going to try and get that sorted. We've hit a bit of another issue with one of the vehicles that we're doing. There's a load of damage to the cam journal, so there's no way we can reuse that head. So Ben's going ahead and putting some new valve stem oil seals in a head that we'd already started refurbishing for the customer. Hopefully they're going to give us a ring back. We have tried calling him, but in the meantime we've got to get on with a solution ready for them, ready for when they come back with an answer. So that's what we're doing. Normally we keep these in stock, but we didn't have any this time. Sod's law, it's Christmas, we just didn't get it done. Al's still motoring on with his block mod, and probably this time he'll finish first. But hey ho, we'll update you with the rest of the video. For now, it's Joe.
Hours later.
Come on.
Meanwhile.